In this video, I'll show you how to make money online promoting affiliate marketing products using the LinkedIn platform. Although LinkedIn is for career-driven people, you can leverage this platform to promote affiliate marketing business successfully. I'll show you the traffic that this platform has. I'm using SimilarWeb to check this. Let's see. It has over 5 billion monthly visits. Just to let you know how powerful LinkedIn is. And let's check the countries. United States has 29.25% of that 5 billion. India, United Kingdom, Brazil, and France. Just to let you know, this is a great platform that we can leverage. The next thing on the list is to find the affiliate product that you're going to promote. In my case, for instance, I'll be promoting StreamYard, and it's an online-based tool for live streaming, but you can record locally. Even though you can do that on YouTube, you are limited to what you can do. With StreamYard, you have a lot of features. There are a bunch of streaming tools, but to me this is the best. It's professional. I'll drop the link in the description box. But in your case, you can use Digistore 24 or ClickBank. Now let's go back to LinkedIn and I'll show you how to promote it. If you want to use 2 to 3 sentences, it's better to use the media post. If you want to write more than 300 words, which is good for ranking on Google, I'll advise you to use write article. I'm going to write an article. Say hello to a smoother editing and publishing experience. Click on get started. You need an image to catch the attention of your potential reader. You can use any publishing platform, but I use Canva, and the size is similar to YouTube thumbnail, 1920 by 1080. Drag the image, click here, drag it and drop it here. Bam. Say it looks nice and attractive. Credit caption, you can click here and type StreamYard. I'm doing this for search engine optimization. Then title, this is what I came out with. StreamYard, best browser-based live streaming and recording studio. Now, it's always good to have at least between 7 to 10 words in terms of title. And as you can tell, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even though this looks like 2 words, there's hyphen between, it's 1 word. I'm going to leave it like this and I'll move on. Now we have to type. Click here. Right here, you can also include at mentioned. This is it. And I like spacing. It's really good. It makes your article easy to digest because some people can stand too much words. Yeah, with this, if I want it to stand out, I can highlight, do this, click on the block quote. It looks nice. I'll highlight this. Don't wait, take action. Then visit StreamYard, I'll highlight it and bold it. Now we have to add the link. This is what I would do. Use landing page. When you use a landing page, you don't have to add affiliate disclosure. But in this case, if you don't have a landing page, I'll advise you to shorten your affiliate link using bit.ly link shortener or other link shorteners that you know or whatever you are comfortable with. Right here, you're going to have to come, click on create new, click on the link, then drop it and just do your thing. But in my case, I'll go to links because I have my links shortened already. This is it. What I'll do, I'll click on copy and you can customize it. That's why I like bit.ly link shortener. Then I'll go back and I'll highlight this, click on the link, drop it here and apply. As you can tell, now when you don't do that and you drop the affiliate link or even the bit.ly link, it's gonna highlighting and it's gonna show some displays of this and a whole bunch of promotional wordings or ad copies or promotional displays. I don't want that because that way the algorithm will not promote you. It's always good to embed the link with a word. You can also add an image. I can also come up here, click here, hover and click on the link. Oh no, I made a mistake and I've lost my stuff, but I'll show you how to get it back. You go to manage, you go to draft, then click on it. We are back again. I'll scroll down and as you can tell, everything is intact. I was talking about the link. Don't add a link to the image right on top here. No, don't do that. You can do it in the middle. I don't want to do it up there. But in most cases, the best way to keep everything clean and professional is to add just one link. Now, I'm done. What I'll do, I'll just click here and push it down again. And I need to add affiliate disclosure because even though I'm redirecting it, it's always good to add affiliate disclosure because most affiliate programs want you to do that. And also, just so you will not get kicked kicked out from this type of platforms. But what I can do, I'll just push it up, and because it's always good to have it closer to where the link is, or you can add it down. But in this case, what I'll do, I'll enter and I will put the disclosure here, Control V, and instead of video, I'm using my YouTube disclosure, this article. I'm gonna use this one. I wish I can add a line here. So let's see. Yeah, and add another one. Yeah, just push it down and I'll just highlight. Hopefully I can reduce. No, I wish I can reduce this size. Italize. Yeah, this alone is enough. This article and description contain affiliate links. In this case, it's just one. If you purchase an item via the links, it's just one. I will earn a commission from the vendor, no extra cost to the original price. I did this because, like I told you earlier, my vendor want me to do this, but it's the right thing to do. It saves you, it saves your vendor, even though we're gonna redirect to bit.ly link within a fraction of a second before it goes to the page. But this is the right way to do it. I'll scroll up. Now, what I will do in future, I will create a landing page, change this, then when I add my landing page link, I will come and take this off. Sometimes this rumor has it that most platforms don't like this, as when they see affiliate disclosures, they know it's affiliate program, but they don't want people to. But it's just the same. To me, this is the right thing to do. I've been doing this and I'm making my money with it, and I don't have any issue. I'll scroll up and now everything is done. And as you can tell, I use only one link. Please don't use too much. Just one link. If people want to buy, they will buy. Your links, too much links will not convince anybody. It's just that it makes people see it all over the place, but trust me, it doesn't make any difference. If they want to buy, they will buy. If they don't want to buy, they will not buy. Now, last but not least, we need to post it. I will advise you to optimize your LinkedIn profile. As you can tell, mine is here. It has to look nice and professional. Your readers will take you serious because this platform is for serious people. Click next. Tell your network what your article is about. Add hashtags to help people find it. I'll click here. Hashtag stream yard. Hashtag go live. Hashtag live stream. Hashtag streaming. Hashtag streaming. I'll keep it simple. Then I'll click publish. I'll get the link to this article. I'll click on it. I've copied the link, but I'll show you the post. This is how the post gonna look like. Like I said, I've optimized this, and you can tell it's right here. And you scroll down. This is your profile is here. You see, that's why you have to optimize your profile before you start running business on LinkedIn, because they want to know who you are and what is going on with you. Sometimes the LinkedIn administrators gonna check to make sure this is not a spammy article. Everything is showing, then you have everything displaying nice and neatly. And when you get down here, see, this is StreamYard. It's not like I have links all over the place. One is enough. And even the affiliate disclosure, you can tell because the line I added is showing nice and neatly here. It's always good to use italize for affiliate disclosure. Still look a bit different, and I like it that way. Now, if I make a sale and my vendor try to find out if I have this disclosure, yes, I have it here. That's good. Now, the last but not least is to go back to your home page. And now I'm gonna create a post here. I'll click it because what I'm gonna do is gonna convince LinkedIn to promote me. Okay, I'll say StreamYard below. Then I'll push this down and I'll drop the link. This is a LinkedIn URL. I'm promoting LinkedIn article on LinkedIn. And as you can tell, everything is displaying. And I need to add hashtags. Or I can add hashtag. You can add as much as you want. Yeah, this is it. And guess what? If I click post, it's gonna display. Bam. Now I've promoted my affiliate product 2 ways. This will appear on the feed. You remember I told you earlier on, when you drop your affiliate link or the bit.ly link and you post it, when you publish, this is how it's gonna look like. The product you are promoting will show and all that. And when it's showing the product I'm promoting, it wouldn't be convincing enough for LinkedIn to promote me. That's why I like embedding my link with the text. With this, it's just a linking article. This is a clickable link. When they click, it's gonna take them straight to the article. I don't wanna do that. It's gonna be like I'm reading my own thing. Yeah, this is really good. As you can tell, I have promoted my affiliate program 2 ways. Yeah, so if I want to edit, I can go edit post, all right, and whatever I wanna edit, I can edit. But in this case, I don't want to edit anything. Just close it. And now I'm on the home page. If this is the right way to do it, if you promote affiliate link like this or any business like this, LinkedIn will know that you are not driving people off the page and they will promote your product. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day.